Install the HP Deskjet 3630 series driver using Windows. Let's get started. We double tap the driver icon. We wait a moment. Click Continue. Accept the agreement arrangement. Click Next. And wait a moment. Select Automatic Setup. Click Next. Then wait a few more moments. Click that the device is connected. Next. Because our device is not connected, please press I'm not sure. And next. Then we'll return to the previous page. Then press Cancel. Then select Connect Later. Next. And Finish. To check, we press the Windows logo. Then, select Devices. And select a printer. When you connect the printer, it will detect it automatically and then follow further instructions on the screen.